another day here at Trophy Mountain. Good day out in the fields. We had a lot of groups out. Actually, the one guy's been coming for about 20 years. We got some new groups today. And like I always say, it's a good day in the fields. Let's kill some birds.
Take it. Denver.
Nice.
Forward. Come. There it is. Other way. Take it. Denver.
What's that? Definitely.
Heel. Heel. Oh. There it is. Oh, Denver! Good shot.
Thank you.
You said this is your first time.
Ever.
Oh my. Hold. Kenny was kind of talking. We want to kind of push up because you can't see her. She's on a bird. She's birdie, so it's just gonna come up. Just pay attention to that path over there. Make sure it doesn't run out on us. Chloe, go.
Oh, you got something.
Big roosters.
Yeah. See it up front here, Jeff?
Yep. Go. I'm ready. All right, we reloaded?
Yep. Look at her run. See that head?
Yeah, oh. Take it. That bird. We'll just walk that bird up the path. It's all good. Catch it up. Come. Go. Come. Heel. Hold. Get it. Sit. She sees it. I'm going to release her. It's going to fly. You guys on it? Yep. Come. That bird. Come on, catch it up. Get ready. Get ready. Take it. That bird. Get reloaded. Sit. Sit. Stay. Are you guys reloaded?
Yes.
Yep. Hey, sit. All right, do you want to go that way, like on the other side of those pine trees? We want to bring the line over. Chloe, heel.
Like I'll go to the far side.
Yeah, the pine trees. We want to just take this line and go this way. Ah, sit. Okay, come on.
Well, we're at a break. Can I get a fish real quick?
You want to shoot this pheasant first?
Oh, sure. I didn't know there was one up there.
Keep going. Yeah, so we want our line this way, looking that way.
Got
Keep going up to the tree. Get to where you can get a shot out there. Because I think she's pushing it into the... It ran. Sit. Come. No bird. No bird. Come. It ran down the path. I'm pretty sure. Go in.
Going in? You want it to hold?
Nah, just stay here. It's...
Ho.
Good shot. Good job.
Put that thing on a platter for you, John.
Oh,
If you missed that, we were going to have a long night for you.
we'll move. We'll move.
I think like close to 20 years, if not 20. Once a year usually. Usually bring a different group of guys with me. We come up more in the summer, like on the lake and whatnot.
You're ready.
There it goes.
Reload. Pay attention. She's in a strip with other birds. Hey, catch it up. There it goes.
That was really good.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna go to that switchgrass again, and then we're gonna do the the tree row because
Yeah.
we have 2 pheasants to farm.
That's what we got. Wait,
They're
18 already?
evil.
Where are we at here?
You ready?
Oh, there it is.
Come back.
Come back, come back.
He'll come back. No, here. Here, come on. Alright, so we still want to be in a line. Pay attention to where people are. Chloe, I'm close. This should be right here somewhere. Keep birdie, get ready.
Oh, it's right there.
Yeah, it's right there. It's here. Good eyes.
Chloe, here. Go. In. Over.
You're right.
Over. On your side. Miller!
That caught me by surprise. I think it should be right in front of me.
Get ready.
Here it comes.
Somebody hit it.
Oh, no, that's
Hold. Hold.
Is that a chucker? No, I thought that was.
Yeah, chucker flew up through there. Yep. I think so. I think you hit it.
Well,
Here.
a piece of it anyway.
That's when you say, yep, I did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely did.
My bird. All right.
I think when we get to the end, guys, let's go back through that other short grass field because sometimes, like in the excitement of the shooting and the fetching, you'll walk by a bird, you know? So let's try that field again. Let's see if maybe we walk by those 3 birds. You go down and we'll let her work. These 2 fields back again, these 2 short grass fields. So we'll spread out a little bit so that way you can work these 2 fields. Here. Yep. Fetch it. I think its wings busted. I don't think it flies. Fetch. So we'll just head out. We'll let her work into this switchgrass. Like this one. We walked by this bird, what, 3-4 times? And we walked it. I'll walk you to that way. Yeah, we literally walked through the field at least 3 times.
Good girl.
There was like a little nest where they tuck into the back there. Yeah, and so all that scent is soaked in there. He has to be, and that's why I always do this at the end. I know that he's hunting 70 yards away from me, but
but she's going to be able to work the wind better if I just let her do her thing, you know?
Here, Sophie. She's definitely working a bird. My guess is a pheasant. Okay. Sophie, get it! Get it up, Sophie. Fetch it. Can you see her? Here, get ready. Flush this way.
Oh, there it is.
Come down. Get in that fence row. Nope, over the fence row. Good girl. Good girl. No bird. No bird. No. Oh. Ah.
We take things.
And we walked past this one bird all 3 times, and then finally the last.
So your dog's broken?
Well, no, we were broken.
When you want to insult a bird hunter, you insult his dog. When you can say anything to the bird hunter and they don't care. But you insult the dog,
When
I'm
you
just
try
teaching
to-
you boys something.
When you try to hunt
That's
and
like-
keep a dog in a field that's 20 yards wide, that's how you.
Well, see, I
You gotta let the dog be the
Your
dog.
dog is special.
Oh yeah.
You gotta
so
play
we were. She was hunting 3 fields.
You
And
won
finally-
3?
Yeah, with 3
I
guys.
need one
And
of those
then,
for our
and then I was
dog.
like, I think she might have found one because she was slinking, and then she locked up on point. And that was
Was
the
it a
bird.
chucker?
It was a chucker, and it never moved. We just walked, because you know what it's like. Point, shoot, flush, and then you end up walking maybe 20 yards past where you just were, you know, and then.
We had one pheasant come out of the switchgrass, go the whole way up the field. We watched it at 60 yards in front of us. It got to the end of the field, turned right, went down around the wood line, around the corner. We're still following it. Now I'm trying to cut it off. And it came into the field and I had cut it off. And Jay hooked us and went backwards. And I was like, we're not gonna find it. Like this thing is just, it's running. And all of a sudden, like she was over here tracking it, and the bird flew up behind me. Like it got through our lawn in the low ground.
Yeah.
Never saw it. And the one guy dumped it going down in the woods. It was a hell of a shot.
We had 2 arbors.
Plus, he's the guy that's giving the tip, so I'm telling him how good the shot is. I'm calling no bird to the dog. Right? The dog stops, and then he fires this shot, and it just dumped. And I was like, well, I guess that's a dead bird. She was like, okay, I can go get it.
He'll walk in, pick a pipe up, it's a couple $100. Yeah, that's nice. He's got a little heater up here now. Yeah. He's got to get them hooked back up, he said. Yeah, I mean, Mercury's used to be, it was freaking great. It was,
Yeah,
and that was like the hot bar, you know, you can give it that.